Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers on Signal. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Signal app. Here go to the chat box to whom you want to send sticker. So simply tap on it and here tap on this icon. Once you tap on it, it will show you many stickers. You need to choose one of it, whichever you want to choose. Simply tap on it. Now it will directly send a sticker to your friend. If you want to add more stickers, tap on plus icon as shown here, and here you need to download stickers. Now go to the bottom list where the stickers are not downloaded yet. Simply tap on the icon and download it. So downloaded stickers will be shown on topmost under the install stickers list. So this is how you can add stickers on Signal. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.